So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone. So today we have a job notification for data analyst in WinZO. So it is a full-time job and location is going to be New Delhi, India. So before going further to the job notification, let's first understand about the company itself. So those who don't know about WinZO, so WinZO is India's largest social gaming platform. So many of you might be aware of the WinZO company. You might be used the application. So just to give a brief overview, it is a gaming platform where you can play a different type of games. It provides a different vertical of gaming ecosystem. So if you will be the data analyst in the company, you will be handling the 100 millions of daily transactions and more than of 4 billion of micro transaction monthly. So it is a newly established company, but the work exposure that you are going to get here is a next level because here you will be going to analyze a huge amount of transactional data on the monthly basis. So it is going to be a good opportunity for freshers and those who have 1 to 2 years of experience. And if you want to see more about the company, you can pause the video and read it from here. So about the roles and responsibility of a data analyst in the WinZO company. So as a part of data analytics team in the WinZO, you will be interpreting and analyzing result, planning different processes and building business algorithm on different trends of data as per the requirement. You will be working in the fast-paced environment, which will require you to take initiative with complete ownership and manage multiple projects and drive execution with stakeholders. So basically, you will be getting a huge scope of managing different projects. Here, you will be dealing with the stakeholders, your managers, and different teams. Now, what you will be doing here? Interpret data, analyze result using statistical technique and effectively communicate actionable insight to grow the product. Engage in deep dive analysis to understand business performance and provide concise summaries and recommendation to management. Support critical financial planning processes such as growth forecasting, sales, goal setting, budget management, business performance evaluation, etc. Here you will be identifying new business opportunities to increase the growth, performance and profitability and define new processes optimization. So as I told you previously, you are dealing with a huge amount of transactional data on the monthly basis. So you have to clean the data, analyze the data and making trends, forecast, budget management and the product performance evaluation. So you have to analyze the each and every module of the business where you can increase the growth and performance of the product. Next is acquire data from various data sources and maintain databases on instrumentation and measurement of data and various data sources. Build business algorithm based on the observing trend within the data. Working parallel with the founders and management on various projects to give a meaningful insight of the various trends, understand their behavior and pattern and all. Conduct A/B experiments, identify TV growth lever and measure impact statistically. Owning up dashboards and visual storytelling of data and automating the process. So just the overview of job profile, you are getting up the data sources or databases from the team. You have to manage the databases, getting the inputs. You have to build the logical algorithm for the business. Here you have to make the reports or dashboard which is visually appealing and automating the process. Now coming to the job eligibility. So they are looking for the pupil with hustler mindset who are curious, eager to learn new things with the passion of innovation and work to be little better every single day. So as you can see, they are desiring for 0 to 4 years of experience with a full-time MBA in finance, marketing, strategy, operation. So if you are a fresher or you are lying between 1 to 4 years of work ex, you can apply here with a relevant MBA degree. If you have work ethics of managing high volume of data and drawing actionable insights, you will get more preference. Drive market leadership across business and product metrics on back of the strong data insight and processes. And you must have expertise in Tableau, FB Analytics, MySQL, and Python. Now coming to the compensation part and what they're offering to you. A flat and transparent culture with incredibly high learning curve. A swanky informal workspace which defines our open and vibrant work culture. Opportunity to solve new and challenging problem with a high scope of innovation. Complete ownership of product and chance of conceptualize and implement your solution. And the most important, a chance to be associated with the big impact early in your career. And since it is a newly established company, so the compensation is going to be very good. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it. So if you found it helpful, click on the like button, mention your comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.